Hey, it's Rob and Kickass, and today we're gonna go and show you guys how to fix your yucky, dingy headlights. Product, Cerakote. Not sponsored, just trying the product out. So this is the company that I've used for probably just over a decade, and they're like the king daddy in ceramic coating. So we're gonna try out this We're gonna try this test out. Come along. No, we're gonna try this kit out. This is the first time I bought it. It's been out for a couple of years, but the other day I was like, hey, I'm just gonna buy that and do a video because I've done these by hand, right? Where you do it and you sand it down, you do it and you wax it and you do all that, and it takes forever. This is a 3 easy steps, no power tools required. So yeah, pretty interesting. So come along, let's go ahead and knock this out. All right, so we're gonna also do it on this Subaru. I have a Subaru here that has some dingy headlights. You can see they're not the best. I kind of messed with this one the other day. I was just cleaning it, but you can see it's still got a nice foggy spot. We're just gonna do that real quick. And we're gonna mess with these Porsche headlights that I'm selling. So I might as well sell them and look brand new. Just dive right in here. So make sure you guys go ahead and watch this video. You can scan the little QR code, watch that video. Well, I'm gonna do it right here, but just in case, you know, if you forget, whatever, they give you a neat little scanny doodad. So I got a bunch of packets here. What do we got here? We got step one, step one, step one, step one. A lot of step ones. Oh, step 3, restoration kit. Is there step 2? Oh, step 2. Kind of snuck that in there. I was like, wait, we got all these steps, not the right. How many do I have? One. So 2 step 3s. So I got enough to do two kits. That's what that seems like to me. Step 2. What step? 2. Step 2. 2. Okay. Thanks. Weird. Oh, yeah. So I got 2 2000s and 2 3000s. Little sanding disc. My little sanding doodaddy. So, then they give you some rubbers. They always toss a couple rubbers in there for you. Like, hey, have some rubbers. I already got some, so we don't need those. All right, I'm already rub it up. I did watch the video, so I have been thoroughly informed on how to do this. So, we need step 1, obviously. That's 1 headlight, 2 headlights. This guy will do 2 cars. Yeah, 2 ceramic clear coat wipe application. Great. So this is the magical take the oxidation off. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and clean the oxidation. Let's do this one real quick. Yeah, put a little elbow grease into that oxidation there. Oh, that's gross. Look at that. Oh boy. That's really yucky. Quite yucky. So Cerakote formulated a special formula to remove the oxidation. And what you're doing usually with the other ones where you sand a lot, you're actually just sanding the oxidation off, where Cerakote's like, why make it so hard when you can... What was that? What just came off my hand? Oh, stuck to my... Never mind. Good, look at that. That is dirty. Ooh, we'll flip it over. That's impressive. Impressive. Quite impressive. All the oxidation has been removing from this headlight here. Quite impressive. So it's probably some crazy chemical. Oh, stay, GoPro. You stay. Wow, looks really good. Let's just jump onto this other one next to it. God, look at that though. I mean, that's gross. That's some gross oxidation there. We did stick this one in the vapor hone, so it pretty much was vapor hone. So this may still get some more stuff off here. It was already pretty clean. Oh, I didn't do the orange, so yeah. You gotta rub your light just so yeah. All right. Yeah. The oxidation has left the chat, people. All right. Oh, that's satisfying. I just want to go around to the parking lot and go run around some park. We'll do that one day. We'll go to some, actually I'll probably get in trouble. Let's not do that. But that would be fun. Just go around to people's like headlights and clear them up, and they come back and they're like, what the hell? Somebody cleared my headlights. It's called, I don't know what you'd call that. It's like pranking somebody, but like helping them, like help pranking? Oh, you help pranked me, thanks. Oh, did he help prank you? He helped prank me too, it's kind of weird. Yeah. All right, let's wipe this grossness off. Oh, that's impressive. Lush impressive there, people. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Like that for just the anti-oxidation wipe. I really want to try it on this thing. This is still the old dirty wipe from that one, but I was just like, you know, let's see. We got a couple lights at once. Oh wow. Oh, it's quite amazing. I mean, Cerakote's always put out just incredible products. I mean, all the stuff I've ever used from them has just been phenomenal. Get some little elbow grease on there and get you good. I know it said one wipe for each headlight, but man, that one wipe's gone for these 2 headlights so far and it's still mushy. Let's go ahead and go for 3? Yeah, let's just go for 3 headlights real quick. This one only had this corner part that didn't work off the other day. Oh, that's quite nice there, Captain. Oh yeah. Get a new one. That's quite phenomenal. Phenomenal. Yeah, just for that quick wipe. Like, holy schnoodles. That's quite schnoodlerific, actually. Yeah, I mean, thank you, Cerakote. Let's do another one. Let's do, this is exciting. You stit. It's like sit and stay, it's stit. Get over there and you stit. I'm gonna put you in the Jeep. Perfect. And fatty new one on this guy here. Yeah. Look at that clean. And that oxidation is going bye-bye. I'm still pulling stuff off. That's just quite impressive. You know what kind of crush unicorns they have in this, but this headlight looks brand new. Well, let's just do this spotlight too. A little oxidation on that guy. Man, it's so cool. They've got some wild chemists there at that Cerakote place. Those guys know some stuff. Because their clear coat's amazing. That clear coat, I mean, it repels like meteors and stuff like that, lava. Doesn't matter what you put it on. It'll totally repel whatever you put on it. I've tested it myself, all kinds of stuff. So I imagine this has got the same kind of, I think they said there's more technology that's gone into this actual product than all their other products. So that's just telling you it's a badass product, man. Sorry, kick-ass product. Kick-ass Cerakote. Oh, look at that. Look how much it's still pulled off. That's crazy. That's absolutely nutty. There were some nuts. That's what they would be. Nutty ones. Oh, I should go wipe the truck. I can run around and find a bunch more. That one might work. Sorry, ADD kicking in. I'm around the whole damn neighborhood. All right, so let's wipe that off. All right, we are on to step 2. Step 2 is the 2000 little disky scooty on the old Velcro scooty. Freshly squeezed, the most purest water you could find. I ran down to Crystal Springs and I tapped into the spring and got this. Not really, just get any, just water in a bottle. We're just wet sanding, so the old wet sander on here. Keep her wet. Tape it up so you don't sand your paint, people. Come on now. Come on now. Not sand our paint. If you watch the Cerakote instructional video, they say to go with, get a kind of a haze over. You don't want to go in circles. You want to go straight back and forth like this whenever you're sanding. Because if you do circles, you don't when you sand. You go straights and backs and forwards and crosses and stuff like that. So when you're sanding, you do that. Oh, while we're playing with headlights, interesting factoid. Most people may not know this. I didn't know this until I saw a damn TikTok about it. Then I looked into it. I think I knew it back in school, but I forgot about it. If you look on just about, I think every headlight, I've never not seen it, because everybody does not sure what the headlight bulb is. On the front of the headlight, in the plastic, you will see a DOT number right here. Say DOT, so it says Subaru DOT HB3. That's the light bulb for the headlight. It's an HB3, right? And then that's the high beam, HB3, and then the H7, there's a H7. So that's the other light bulb. So there's the high beam and low beam. I think there's a H7 and then a HB3. I think that's how that works. Yeah, so yeah, if you need to know your headlight bulb, run out to your car and look at the little plastic things down here and you'll see the HB3 and the H7. A little helpful tip. All right, put you back on your pod jam so I can charge you. We are now to step 2 of 2. Part 2 of 2 is the 3000. I found doing it on these headlights, it's better with my hand. It's like a little, I can get more into the contours. So I just change it up a bit. Helps me get in there better. So now we're gonna do a 3000 over all the headlights here. And we'll be back. Let me go ahead and put this in the time lapse. We are to step 3. This is the magical clear coat that we're gonna stick on here. And this should, alright. You just do a swoopity, one wipe swoop dupe. I have to get it on the paint. Ooh, whoops, ooh, that looks amazing. Try to overlap yourself like 50%, just like you're painting something. Look at that! Holy schnoodles! That is rocking out. Oh wow. That looks like a new headlight. Like Cerakote. Way to go on this product. Let's go to the Porsche light. Now this needs to dry for like an hour. So you make sure you leave it dry for an hour. Not too shabby, baby. Not too shabby, baby. What the hell does that mean? That doesn't look great. I think that's because I didn't sand that one as much. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry and we'll check. Man, those look good from here. Look at that. I mean, just it looked like I put new headlights in there. That's slam jam fantastic right there. I mean, wow. I can't wait until she picks up. Alright, that about finishes up the old Cerakote headlight kit here. So I'm not sponsored. I just like Cerakote and I like to try out their products. I've got a few more coming, so I'm going to try out the headlight and the plastic restore. That stuff's really cool. So we're going to give those a whirl. I'll give you all my comments on it. So I think this is great. It just needs to be, I needed to sand it longer, but other than before and after, it's pretty remarkable. I mean, that about wraps that up for now. Thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget to punch that subscribe button. I do love everybody, love all the comments, appreciate every one of y'all, and thanks for stopping by. Let's draw up and kick ass. No, don't lick it.